announced its interest rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern Time today. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's press conference will be held at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Intel announced it has made broad cuts to employee and executive pay a week after the company issued a lower-than-expected sales forecast driven by a loss of market share to rivals and a PC market downturn. The reductions will range from 5% of base pay for mid-level employees to as much as 25% for chief executive, while the company's hourly workforce's pay will not be cut. US chipmaker Advanced Micro Devices posted revenue that beat Wall Street targets and said it expected business to improve in the second half, just a week after Intel released its grim outlook. Although AMD's forecast was behind expectations, it was not as weak as some worried. AMD's data center segment revenue grew 42% to $1.7 billion during the fourth quarter, offsetting a 51% drop in revenue of the client segment that includes PCs. Amgen reported revenue of $6.84 billion for the fourth quarter, down from $6.85 billion a year ago, but ahead of analyst estimates of $6.77 billion, as a 4% increase in sales of its own drugs was offset by lower revenue from its deal to manufacture COVID-19 antibody treatments for Eli Lilly. Amgen product sales were led by a 14% jump in osteoporosis drug Prolia. Yesterday, Amgen announced its Amjevita, the first biosimilar to AbbVie's Humira, is now available in the United States at a list price 5% below current Humira list price. Meta Platforms will release fourth quarter financial statements after the bell today. Analyst expectations are of $2.26 earnings per share on $31.53 billion revenue. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.